Friends, now this is problem from probability. A problem is given to three students whose chances of solving it are 1 by 3, or 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 respectively. What is the probability that the problem will be solved? Okay, now let the events be A, B and C. Let student A, student B and student C are the events of solving. Now A bar and B bar and C bar are the events of not solving the problem. Now A solving the problem, B solving the problem and C solving the problems are independent. This is very important. Why these are independent? Because if A solves, it does not affect B. If B solves, it does not affect C and A. That means the individual capacity they can solve. That means solving A will not affect solving B, or solving B will not affect solving A. And similarly with C also. Therefore they are independent events. So one solving or one not solving will not affect the other. Therefore similarly A bar, B bar, C bar are also independent. So this implies A, B, C are independent, means solving A, solving B, solving C. Problem solving by A, problem solving by B and problem solving by C are independent. And similarly problem not solving by A and not solving by B and not solving by C are also independent. Now what is the given that probability of solving by A is half? Okay, probability of solving the problem by B is 1 by 3 and the probability of solving by C is 1 by 4. So this implies probability of not solving by A, because the chance of solving by A is half. Not solving is 1 minus 1 by 2. We know the probability of not happening is P of 1 minus P of A. So therefore this 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. Since we know that since we have probability of not solving is equal to 1 minus probability of solving. Okay, so therefore it is 1 by 2. Now similarly probability of B not solving will be 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now similarly probability of not solving C will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, right? Now probability of none solving the problem we'll see first. Probability of none solving the problem means no one can able to do the problem will be P of none solving problem is P of not A solving. Okay, that means A will not solve, and the probability of not A solving and not B solving. Okay, and not C solving. Okay, so this we can put in the form of, this is equal to, we can write P of A bar intersection B bar intersection C bar. Now this, because they are independent events, we can write P of A bar, P of B bar into P of C bar. Since A bar, B bar and C bar are independent events, already we have seen. Independent events. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. This means, none can solve the problem. No one can solve the problem. All the three A, B, C cannot solve the problem is 1 by 4. Now hence hence what we can see is probability of the problem will be solved. We want the problem will be solved. The probability of the problem will be solved is equal to 1 minus probability of none solves the problem. None solves the problem. Hope you understood. Means probability of solving the problem will be 1 minus no one solves, all the three. None of the ABC solve the problem. 1 minus none of the ABC solve the problem gives you the problem will be solved. So what is that one? 1 minus P of, that's above. How much we got? P of A bar, B bar and C bar. That means the probability of not solving one. That will be equal to how much? 1 minus, what is that? None solves the problem will be, all the three cannot solve the probability is 1 minus 1 by 4. Therefore 1 minus 1 by 4 gives you the 3 by 4. That means any one probability of A or B or C, any one of them will be solved will be equal to 3 by 4. Okay, the probability of solving the problem by A or by B or by C will be equal to 3 by 4. Hope you understood. We'll stop here.